Welcome back, children. Today's chapter is 10, Transport and Communication. Test skills are evolution of transport and communication, means of transport, means of communication. And the first question is, which of the following is an audiovisual means of communication? A. Radio. B. Television. C. Magazine. D. Newspaper. And the correct option is B. Television. Number 2. Who is known as the father of railways? Albert Einstein, George Stephenson, Isaac Newton, Michael Faraday. And the correct option is B. George Stephenson. Number 3. Which of the following is the longest highway of India? And the options are NH80, NH48, NH44, NH40. And the correct option is C. NH44. Number 6. Which of the following airport is in the western part of the world? A. Indira Gandhi International Airport. B. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Beijing Capital Airport. Kansai International Airport. And the correct option is number B. Number B. Children, this is the question of number 6 which I have just read. I think I have missed out 2 questions, that is number 4 and 5. I'll just do it for you. Number 4 is Panama Canal links Pacific Ocean with the A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Red Sea, C. Dead Sea, and D. Mediterranean Sea. And the correct option is Atlantic Ocean. Number 5. Invention of dash brought the first ever revolution in the history of transportation. A. Steam engine, B. Wheel, C. Road, D. Sledge. And the correct option is B. Wheels. The first revolution in the history of transportation was brought by the invention of wheel. The early men fitted wheels in the sledge. The wheel-fitted sledge were easy to pull over uneven surfaces. Today, almost all vehicles on earth move on wheels. Now we come to number 6, which I have already said. The answer of number 6 is B. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is in USA, which is in the western part of the world. That is B. Number 7. Which of the following is an audio means of communication? A. Telephone, B. Television, C. Book, and D. Newspaper. And the correct option is A. Television is an audiovisual means of communication. Book and newspaper are visual means of communication. Question number 8. Which of the following was not used in the olden days to convey messages? A. Smoke signals, B. Homing pigeons, C. Human messengers, D. Elephant. And the correct option is D. Elephants. Number 9. Which of the following roads connect India and China? A. Hindustan Tibet Road, Hindon Elevated Road, Eastern Freeway, and last NH 44. And the correct option is A. Hindustan Tibet Road connects India to China. It is an international highway, while the rest are Indian roads that run within the country. Which of the following roads was built by Shah Suri? A. Grand Trunk Road, B. Minto Road, C. Kitjung Road, D. MG Road. And the correct option is A. Grand Trunk Road. It is also known as the GT Road. Number 11. Select the incorrect statement. A. A fax machine works through telephone lines. B. Morse code is a coded language of dots and crosses. C. Internet provides information on any topic. D. Documentaries are short films that spread knowledge. And the answer is B. Morse code is a coded language of dots and dashes. Number 12. Which of the following is used to communicate with a large number of people at the same time? A. Newspaper, B. Telephone, C. Magazines, D. A and C. And the correct option is D. Both A and C. Newspaper and magazines are means of communication, mass communications, while telephone is a mean of personal communication. Number 13. Unscramble the given letter to obtain the name of the means of communication. Now select the correct statement regarding it. Now let us see what is it written, what is unscrambled. And the letters are RNIE. Once again I'll repeat, NETTRNIE. And if you have to make a word out of it, if you scramble and make a word out of it, it is internet. Okay. Now select the correct statement regarding it. A. With the help of it, messages can be sent instantly to any part of the world. It can only be accessed through smartphones. It does not help in e-banking and shopping. D. All of these. And the correct option is A. On scrambling the word, it is internet. It helps to send messages to any part of the world instantly. Internet can be accessed through smartphones, computers, laptops and many other gadgets. Internet helps in e-banking, shopping, booking tickets, etc. Number 14. Dash is the fastest train in Japan. Rocket, satellite, bullet and tablet. It is bullet. Number C. Number 15. Select the incorrect match of name of airport and the city in which it is located. Heathrow Airport, Singapore. Charles de Gaulle Airport, Paris. Anna International Airport, Chennai. John F. Kennedy International Airport, New York. And the correct option is A. Sorry children, I had screened it up. And the option is A. Heathrow is situated in London. Number 16. Dash and dash are most ancient means of water transport. A. Ship, boats and ships. B. Rafts and canoes. C. Ships and tankers. D. Cargo and tankers. And the correct option is B. Rafts and canoes. Number 17. Who is regarded as the father of long distance radio transmission? Samuel Morse, Guglielmo Marconi, John Logie Baird, Alexander Graham Bell. And the correct option is B. 18. Refer to the given list and select the option that identifies the means of mass communication correctly. Cinema, internet, advertisement, fax, landline phones. There are 4 options: A, 1, 2 and 3 only, B, 4, 5 only, C, 1, 3 and 4 only, D, 4 only. And the correct option is A. Correct option is A. Number 19. Which of the following is the most expensive means of transport? And there are 4 pictures. One is aeroplane, second one is boat, then train, and then is a 3-wheeler. That is an auto rickshaw. And the answer is A. Air transport is the most expensive means of transport. Number 20. To look for a new opportunity, explorers traveled to distant lands, often discovering new nations, cultures, and trade routes. One such explorer was X. He was a Venetian merchant who lived in the 13th century. He traveled all the way from Europe to China and Mongolia and wrote travelogues describing his journey. Who is X? It's Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, Marco Polo, and Xian He. It is number C. It is number C. Number 21. Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. A. Communication, satellites. B. Television and email. B. First mechanical computer, broadcast images and radio. C. Smoke signals to signal danger, modern means of communication. And Charles Babbage. And the correct option is of 21 is A. It is A. Okay, children. Number 22. Read the given statement. Number 1. The British introduced railway in India. Khandla, Marmango and Chennai are some of the important ports of India. Mumbai was the first city in India to have a metro service. Astronauts used rockets and submarines to travel in space. Now select the option that correctly identifies the correct ones. A 1, 2 and 3 only, B 2 and 4 only, C 1 and 2 only, D 2 and 3 only, and the correct option is C 1 and 2 only. Number 23. Which of the following cannot be found in the given crossword? This civilization is believed to be the birthplace of the first writing system, Mesopotamia. That is A, Mesopotamia. Number B. Objects in the space that aid in communication? Satellite. Number C. They invented a picture-based scripture called hieroglyphics. That's Egyptians. And D, none of these. And the correct option is C. Number 24. Refer to the given picture showing different types of means of communication and answer the question that follows. P, Q, R and S. Which of these were invented by Marconi? 1. Number 2. Which of these was invented by Alexander Graham Bell? And the options are 1 P, 2 Q, B 1 R, 2 S, C 1 Q, 2 P, D 1 S, 2 P. And the correct option is C 1 Q, 2 P. The means of communication shown in the given picture are P. Telephone, Q. Radio, R. Television, S. Computer. Radio Q was invented by Marconi, and telephone P was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. We go to our last question, that is 25. Refer to the given flow chart and select the option that correctly identifies P and Q and R. Here is a flow chart. Let us see. P, Q and R. A. Sycan Tunnel, Suez Canal, Granton Road, Panama Canal, Orient Express, Granton Road, North Atlantic Route, Shatabdi Express, Sycan Tunnel, South Atlantic Route, Suez Canal, Panama Canal. And the correct option is B. And the correct option is B, Panama Canal, Orient Express and Grand Trunk Road. So we come to an end of this chapter, children. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe and bye.